Hello everyone, ready for reading? Ebalbharati virtual classroom welcomes you, and this is Ruchi Amit Jha from Gondia, Shri Mahavir Marwadi High School. Through this session, we are going to learn about the works of art, class 9th, and the chapter's name is Reading Works of Art. My dear friends, in this session, we will see how a artwork is so important, so wonderful that we are going to read about it. What is its speciality and what are its qualities that makes us to read about that particular work of art. So, my dear friends, let's go through the PPT, Reading Works of Art, chapter of class 9th of 4th unit, we will see here. Through this session, we will get the information regarding paintings of Syed Haider Raza. Syed Haider Raza. This is not only a person, but he is a significant artist in the field of paintings. Raja was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. His birthplace is Madhya Pradesh. Keep notice, my dear learners, his birthplace is a small village in Madhya Pradesh. And when he was of age 12, in the 12-year-old person, the Syed Haider Raza began to paint. Thereafter, we will see he studied art at Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur. For his interest in painting kept him to study the art where at Nagpur, Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya. Then JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Thereafter, he went to France to study art. My dear friends, Syed Haider Raza was a very smart and very talented, skilled painter, and that is why he had studied of art, and for his higher studies he went to France and to study the art, and thereafter finally he decided to settle in France. You will amazed to know that he was honored with all the three Padma awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. You know very well all these three awards are how prestigious and how honorable, and Syed Haider Raza had received all these three Padma awards for his paintings. Watch carefully the picture. My dear learners, watch carefully the pictures. आप क्या देख सकते हैं? What can you see in this picture? There are many more colors. There are many more geometric figures. Exactly, the geometric figures we can see here, which are making this figure, this painting, very lovely and attractive. This was the speciality of Syed Haider Raza's painting. Simple geometric shapes, साधे भौमितिक आकार, striking color combinations, आकर्षक रंग संयोजन, captivating compositions, मनमोहक रचना. My dear learners, simple geometric shapes, when we see the word simple geometric shape, we just image only the mathematics and geometry. But Syed Haider Raza has used all these simple geometric shapes to make his paintings attractive, and these shapes have given the painting a special category, and the striking color combination, आकर्षक रंग संयोजन, इन कैप्टिवेटिंग कंपोजिशंस, मनमोहक रचना। सिर्फ भौमितिक आकार और आकर्षक रंग संयोजन महत्वपूर्ण नहीं, उन सभी का मनमोहक रचना में व्यवस्थित रूप से संयोजन करना, ये सैयद हैदर रजा की पेंटिंग की विशेषता थी। सैयद हैदर रजा की पेंटिंग जो थी वो किसी विशेष प्रकार के ड्राइंग, किसी विशेष प्रकार की पिक्चर्स को लेकर नहीं बनाई जाती थी, बल्कि he had used only simple geometric shapes, striking color combination. You can see that all the colors are striking and captivating compositions. बस यूं ही नहीं उनको ऐड किया गया है। सैयद हैदर रजा ने ये सारे शेप को बहुत ही व्यवस्थित और बहुत ही सुरेख तरीके से मैनेज करके इतनी आकर्षक पेंटिंग बनाई है। यही सैयद हैदर रजा की पेंटिंग की बहुत ही बड़ी खासियत है। Now you can see none of his paintings reflects human figures or its related scene. His paintings are totally different style. We have already discussed here that when we talk about any painting or any drawing, we normally draws rivers or any figure of face, any trees, leaves, peacocks. Such kind of figures are significant part of any painting. But none of his paintings, Sayyid Haider Raza's paintings, reflects human figure. ह्यूमन फिगर को वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करती है। उनकी पेंटिंग बहुत ही डिफरेंट होती है, आर टोटली डिफरेंट स्टाइल, एंड दिस स्टाइल इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज ओनली द यूज ऑफ सिंपल ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स, striking color combination and captivating composition. My dear friend, here you can see again the Sayyid Haider Raza's paintings, an example, and here just watch how many geometric figures are used here. You can watch circle, triangle, rectangle, dots, lines. These are combined in a very systematic way with a striking color combination. Raja's paintings are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in varied composition with effective techniques of applying paint with attractive color combinations. My dear friend, if I tell you to make a painting by using circle, triangle, square, rectangles, lines, you will see how is it possible. But Sayyid Haider Raza made this possible, and his effective techniques of applying paint with attractive color combination. आकार, ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स, इसका यूज करना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन उन चीजों का, उन आकार का जब हमें यूज करना है पेंट करने के लिए, और वो भी बहुत ही डीपली, तब हमें क्या करना होगा? तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, Sayyid Haider Raza had thought deeply, and he had used all these figures in a very lovely and very systematic way to make amazing paintings. Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and his heritage, cultural context and philosophy. Sayyid Haider Raza ने इंडियन आर्ट की स्टडी की बहुत ही डीपली, और उसके बाद देयर आफ्टर ही फाउंड ऑल दीज कंटेंट्स इनटू हिज सोल एंड हिज हेरिटेज, इट्स कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड फिलॉसफी. भारत की हेरिटेज, भारत के कल्चर और वहाँ की फिलॉसफी, इन सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए सैयद हैदर रजा ने जब ये पेंटिंग के बारे में सोचा तो उन्होंने बिल्कुल ये फिक्स किया कि उनकी पेंटिंग में कोई भी ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ह्यूमन बीइंग फेस, ट्रीज, रिवर फेस, hills, these are very common for any other painter, but for Sayyid Haider Raza he had used to show his paintings through the help of circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in varied composition. In this picture, you can see that all these shapes are arranged in a different manner and they are making collectively a lovely painting. And this is not only a color combination, but these color combinations are showing us its heritage, cultural context and philosophy. Means हर कलर में, हर रंग में भारत के आर्ट का कोई ना कोई इफेक्ट सैयद हैदर रजा की सोल में, दिमाग में था, जो वो हमें इस पेंटिंग के थ्रू शो करते हैं। और आप जब इस तरीके की पेंटिंग बनाने का प्रयास करेंगे तब आप सोचिए कि किस तरीके से लाइन की हेल्प लेकर, किस तरीके से स्क्वायर की हेल्प लेकर आप कोई पेंटिंग बना सकते हैं। लेकिन आप देखिए डॉट का यूज करके, कर्व लाइन का यूज करके किस तरीके से आईज बनाई गई है, और ये एक बेहतरीन तरीके से सैयद हैदर रजा ने इस पेंटिंग को बनाया है। और यही इनकी पेंटिंग की स्पेशलिटीज हैं। Such kind of paintings are not inspired by any external factors, but they originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. My dear friend, ऐसी पेंटिंग बनाना कोई आसान बात नहीं है. This is not such an easy task to make such kind of paintings. These kind of paintings are inspired by own inner mind of सैयद हैदर रजा. कोई भी आर्ट जो होता है वो किसी भी व्यक्ति के इनर सोल, किसी भी व्यक्ति के इनर सोल, उसकी माइंड में चल रहे विचारों का, उसके विचारों का एक्सप्रेशन होता है. फिर वो चाहे कैसा भी व्यक्ति क्यों ना हो, उसके दिमाग में जो बातें चल रही होती हैं वही उसके आर्ट में हमें रिफ्लेक्ट होती हुई नजर आती हैं. तो ये जो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पेंटिंग सैयद हैदर रजा की हम देखते हैं ना, ये हम समझ सकते हैं कि वो जो आर्टिस्ट थे सैयद हैदर रजा, बॉर्न इन मध्य प्रदेश, उन्होंने क्या सोचा होगा, जियोमेट्रिक शेप को लेकर उन्होंने क्या विचार किए होंगे, और उसके बाद तो उनका एक विजन क्या था, जियोमेट्रिक शेप को पेंटिंग का रूप देना. ये उनका इनोवेटिव वे जो था, हिज इनोवेटिव वेज टू थिंक इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग इनटू हिज पेंटिंग्स. माय डियर फ्रेंड, कोई भी पेंटिंग करते समय जो कलर हम यूज करते हैं, वो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन अगर सही ना हो तो वो पेंटिंग अट्रैक्टिव नहीं होती. सैयद हैदर रजा had used his striking color combination in a very attractive manner, and this is a reflection of his इनर माइंड, कि उनके दिमाग में क्या विजन रहा होगा कि एक ज्योमेट्रिक शेप को एक प्रॉपर कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में पेंटिंग में कैसे चेंज किया जा सकता है. सैयद हैदर रजा का ये जो पिक है, इसके साथ उनके जो ड्राइंग दिख रही है, यू कैन सी दैट दिस पिक्चर शोज हिज विजन इनटू हिज ओन इनर माइंड. His vision of own inner mind. You can see here very deep thinking, but very broad way. Any artist can give his art a very nice reflections through his artistic creativity. So my dear friends, again I repeat what we have seen here. Sayyid Haider Raza had done a different style of painting which make us to read about his work of art. यूं ही कोई आर्ट को वर्क को ये पढ़ा नहीं जाता. जब कोई मिस्ट्री क्रिएट है, कोई हिस्ट्री क्रिएटेड है, then we will go to read about this. Such kind of person was Sayyid Haider Raza, and he was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint from the age of 12. He studied at Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur. Now my dear friend, you can see that an artist, जब आपको स्टडी और कैरियर के बारे में बोला जाता है तो आप स्टडी में ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने एक चित्रकला में महाविद्यालय से अपनी स्टडी पूरी की. तो आपने ये पूरी चैप्टर के थ्रू ये समझ लिया होगा कि उन्होंने क्यों ऐसा किया. कि सैयद हैदर रजा ने चित्रकला महाविद्यालय नागपुर से अपनी स्टडी की, वो भी आर्ट की, क्योंकि उनके अंदर एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन कलाकार छिपा हुआ था, और वो था कि एक डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ पेंटिंग करने का एक व्यक्ति. देन जे स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट इन मुंबई, ही finished his study in JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Thereafter, he went to France to study art. Finally, he decided to settle in France. Sayyid Haider Raza was actually from the India, but he had decided to settle in France. And his special kind of paintings has given him the prestigious awards, which are 3 Padma awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. His paintings' special features are simple geometric shapes, a striking color combination and captivating compositions. None of his painting reflects human figures or its related scene. हमने अभी तक यही देखा कि सैयद हैदर रजा की पेंटिंग में किसी प्रकार का ह्यूमन फिगर जो है वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होता है. एंड हिज पेंटिंग्स आर ऑफ टोटली डिफरेंट स्टाइल. उनकी पेंटिंग में सिंपल जियोमेट्रिक शेप का यूज था और वो टोटली डिफरेंट. दिस इज वन मोर एग्जाम्पल to show the different style of his painting. His paintings are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in varied composition with effective techniques of applying paint with attractive color combination. Raja found his paintings through his study of Indian art and his heritage, cultural context and philosophy. The most important thing we have seen here is such kind of paintings are not inspired by any external factors, but they originate when the artist tries to peep into his inner mind. And Sayyid Haider Raza is best example of this kind of artist who has shown his deep vision through his artistic creativity. Now you can reply such questions. So my dear friends, through this session what we have seen, and now you can reply these answers. Where has Raja born? Give characteristic features of Raja's painting. What do you think about Raja's painting? And what do you want to be? आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं फ्यूचर में? आर्ट्स के बारे में आपने क्या समझा, क्या सोचा, क्या जाना सैयद हैदर रजा के थ्रू? ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को that you have to think about all these questions reply these questions into your notebook, and thereafter you have to think about yourself which kind of artist is hidden into your mind. You have to peep into your own soul, just like सैयद हैदर रजा. जैसे सैयद हैदर रजा ने सोचा कि जियोमेट्रिक शेप से पेंट कर सकते हैं, वैसे you have to think about yourself. What can you do? And thereafter you have to reply these questions, and then you have to work upon your own kind of art, just like Sayyid Haider Raza. So, my dear learners, through these chapters, we have seen about Sayyid Haider Raza and its different style of painting. And at the end of the session, I expect that you will also peep into your own soul, into your own mind, to find out, to explore a hidden character, hidden artist into your own personality, so that we will read about that artist in future textbooks, just like Sayyid Haider Raza. My dear friends, go through this, and all the best for your this exploring work. So till then, thank you so much.